how to create a campaign on Mailchimp. I have logged into Mailchimp, and here I will just select the campaigns option from the side, and you will be able to see a list of all of your campaigns. For this, I am going to create a new one by clicking on this button here. So we can choose 3 different types of campaigns. So we can do regular email, we can do automation, and we can do landing page. I'm going to do email campaign. So I'll just click on design email. And here we have to first add the recipients. So if we click on add recipients, then we will get this option to import contacts if we are starting from scratch. Now once this loads, you will see 3 different ways of importing your recipients. So you can import from another device, you can upload a file, or you can copy and paste. So I'm going to do copy and paste for this tutorial. I'm going to click on continue, and it will tell us the format that we need to follow. So email address, first name, last name, and the address itself. So I'm going to do email address, first name, last name, and the address itself. And we want to click on continue to organize. So select an audience. This is my channel name, the name that we just input. Select a status, so subscribed, non-subscribed, cleaned, or unsubscribed. I'm going to do subscribed. And we want to check this, update any existing contacts. So now we will need to tag them. So here, start typing to add a custom tag. So if you refer to your subscribers in a specific way, then we can do just customer here. I'm going to add them as customer, and just from the popular tags, customer, I didn't even see that it's added here to the side. We can do influencer, member, and we can click on continue to match. And now the email address here, not recognized, not recognized, not recognized. So match column labels to contact information. So if this looks correct, then you can click on finalize import. If you want to edit anything, then you can choose right here, and you can retype it as well. I'm going to click on finalize import and review and complete your import. One contact will be updated to the NetHelp audience, imported from copy and paste, email marketing status, subscribed, update the existing contacts, yes, and tagged customer, influencer, member. I'm going to click on complete import here, and we can return to the campaign creation. So that was just the first step. Now here we can actually edit from. So who is it being sent from? So name is required, and this is the email address that we're sending it from. It will take your email address that you used to register with. You can change it here if you want to type out something else. I'm not going to change it. So add the subject for this email. We can click on add subject, and this is what's going to pop up. So it will give us some different tips. Try to use no more than 9 words. Try to use no more than 1 emoji. Avoid using more than 60 characters, and avoid using more than 3 punctuation marks. I'm going to do, did you miss me? Question mark. And preview text. It will appear in the box in the inbox after the subject line. I'm going to do this and click on save here. So send time, we can customize this to schedule a time. So if we click on schedule time, but actually it will ask us to upgrade, so I'm going to leave it as send now and save this. And content, design the content for your email. So right here, arguably the most important part, if we click on design. So here, email purpose. We can do announce, invite to event, we can do sell products, we can do sell services, thank you, welcome, seasonal. So I will do sell products here. And once we click on it, it will filter out the other emails. Now we can also add a subcategory here for our industry. So if our industry is e-commerce and retail, it will again filter it out. And the style, we can do bold, colorful, dark, light, minimalist. I'm going to choose minimalist, and this is what it looks like. So right here, you will be able to see some of these are actually free and some require a premium plan. If you want to filter it out, you can just check this. And this is the list of the free emails that you can use, email templates. So I will just use this, and we want to click on apply. So here is where we actually customize it. So we can add content, we can add headings, styles, many different things. So first off, right here, we can add a heading, paragraph, button, image. You can read through this. So for the layout, we can change the layout of how this looks. If we drag and drop it here, we can drag some content, and once we're done, we will click on the done button here. We can also change the style completely. So body color, we can customize it to be red, something more appropriate, like so. And we can also add a background image by uploading it from our own email or from our own computer, sorry. You can customize the text itself, so we can change the font, we can change the font size, and if we want to optimize it, it will detect all of the errors that we have made during the creation of this email campaign, and we can correct them here. But basically, if you want to edit something out, you will say, did you miss me? Like the title of the email campaign that we just created. And once we're done setting this up, you will obviously customize it to your needs. I will not show you how to customize it because everything is going to be individual on Mailchimp. So right here, after we're done, we can either preview it or save and exit. I'll click on save and exit, and it's gonna take us back to this. Sorry. So it will tell us if any issues have been created. So if we click on resolve here, we can fix the issues. And I'm gonna click on save and exit again, just to continue with this tutorial. And now you can share your email. So want to brand your email list or link, clicked edit to create a custom URL. So here we can actually customize this so it doesn't appear with your own email, but instead you can choose how to appear in their email address. So you can also add a social post to your email, so we can connect Facebook, we can connect X, we can connect Instagram, and here we see the last page. So settings and tracking, you're not using inbox to manage replies. If we click on edit here, we can track opens, track clicks, track plain text clicks, use inbox to manage replies, auto convert video, e-commerce link tracking, Google Analytics, but we need to connect this. And basically, if you want to add all of this, you just click on each one of those to highlight them. And we can set a click tail tag here. And after you have checked all of these, you can click on save. And then basically here you can see a preview of your email. If you click on it, and it's going to look like this. You can add address, buttons. It will show you a mobile version for it as well. And inbox here, inbox preview. And basically, if everything looks okay, you can send a text email. You can finish this later, or you can directly send this email campaign out to all of the recipients that you have added in the first place here. So, hope this video was helpful. Hope you managed to learn Mailchimp as a beginner. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.